Hey guys, Brian with SoCo Customs. We got something a little different for you today, but you know the drill. Thumbs up, subscribe, share with all your friends, any of you Subi fans. So Rough Country's really been working over the last couple of years to come out with lift kits for these small crossover SUVs, not necessarily full off-roaders, but with off-road aspirations, weekend warriors, all that stuff. So behind me is the CrossTrek. They've also done them for the Jeep Renegade, the Jeep Cherokee, not the Grand Cherokee, but they do have a kit for the Grand Cherokee. But yeah, so they've added all these kits over the last year or so. So we're sending this one up 2 inches on the kit. So stay tuned and we'll show you what it looks like when it's all finished. Now, I wouldn't recommend doing like full off-roading with this. You're not trying to go out and like crawl or anything like that. Keep in mind that this is an all-wheel drive. It doesn't have a 4-low or anything like that. So not really going to do much there, but you'll want to stick to, you know, service roads, any spots that you're just trying to get to your campsite and all that fun stuff. So let's check this thing out. Alright guys, so with this kit, it brings it up a little bit, a little more gap right there. We're sticking with the stocks for right now, but I think he is shopping for some wheels and tires. When it comes to this kit, it will fit a 225/65/17, so probably about an inch taller than what we've got right now. And actually there's some great all-terrain offerings with that size of tire. There are offerings from Toyo, Falcon, BFG, and Pirelli. Yokohama actually has an AT and a mud terrain offering for that one, so just keep that in mind. This is a great kit, but it does take a little bit longer than they might tell you, since it does have some subframe spacers that you also need to do, and then a spacer on top of the strut. All right guys, Brian, SoCo Customs. This wraps up our video on the Subaru XTrek lift kit. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, subscribe. We'll talk to you guys soon.